going on, everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to do the ASTEROID shots with the DJI Mini 3 Pro. Awesome little machine. Let's get into it. Alrighty, so all you're going to want to do is once the drone's up in the air, you just simply want to click the section that gives you the photos, videos, etc. Scroll down on the right side to where it says quick shots, click that, and then on this left side you just want to scroll down to where it says asteroid. You click that, and then once that's done, you just simply highlight an area, the object, person, etc. of what you want it to be. Then you've got that, and then all you simply do is click start. It'll do its quick little countdown, and then that is it. It'll just go up by itself and catch the shot that you need. So yeah, very easy, very straightforward, fantastic. So that's it, everyone. All you simply want to do is just go to the section of the photos, video, etc. Find quick shots, click on that, go to the left hand side of that, scroll all the way to the bottom, it'll say asteroid. You just want to click on that and then highlight the section that you want, like the person, house, etc. And then once you've done that, you just click start and the little guy goes up and does it by himself. So yeah, absolutely love the DJI Mini 3 Pro. Highly recommend it to anyone, advanced, beginners. It's just an awesome drone. So I hope this video helped you out anyway, and take it easy. Peace.